he wants to, doctor. I'm fine with that. But if he wants to.
Have you fished with Jerry often, or?
No, I talk to Jerry a lot though. He hasn't been fishing. He hasn't been feeling too good.
You saw what happened to Riverwalk?
Yeah, I went by that the other day. It's pretty low, huh?
Yeah, last time I went, a whole bunch of carp are dead, bass are dead.
Oh, how was that fishing? Were they smacking the corn?
The carp?
Yeah.
No, all of them were dead.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Back leg?
Yeah, all the fish over there are dead.
Any bass?
5 bass are dead, big ones.
I put like one almost 6 pounds in there. With both legs.
When?
Last year.
Got one.
Yeah, see? That's the way right there, the drop shot. I just had no minnow.
I'm trying to see if I can get most if I can to get from my folks. Oh, you son of a! You broke up my rig.
Got him in close, huh?
Huh?
Got him in close?
Probably, yeah. You got bit? Andrew.
Oh, it's my tail, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Gotta get that sucker on film. Oh, yeah. Here, you need help on hooking?
Wait, which one of you guys, like, was it David or you told me, like, you guys use the really thin Senko?
Oh, he's on.
Oh, now he's on.
He's on. He's on?
Yep, he's on.
Hey. Small, huh? Small. Actually, oh, try not to pull my rod because I don't want that thing. Are you under? Yeah, he's under.
He's small.
He has to be small. There's no way that he isn't. Ooh. Well, he's a pretty decent size. Oh, it's a little baby. It's a nice one.
Yeah, this dude was messing with it.
It's really pretty. Got it, bro. Catching all the fish.
All right.
Get to your grandma. Your grandma like catfish, right?
I need pliers.
They're in the truck.
Where's your catfish, Andrew?
I'm trying, dude. I'm trying,
I'm the only one who's been catching the fish.
I know.
And I'm just the guest. Ow, motherfucker.
Find you?
No, I was grabbing the hook and he wiggled out of the fucking, what was that thing?
Crappie dead?
No, they're still alive.
Really?
Yeah.
Again?
Again? Really?
He's on. He's for sure.
Oh yeah, I know. Oh God.
Oh, he's big. He's big.
It was moving, but he's not moving anymore. Can't be.
Well, if it's big catfish, they usually don't fight. They just dead weight.
Nah, this is way too light for a big catfish.
Look at him up, bro.
It could be a bass.
It's not fighting though. Yeah, it's fighting.
Oh, it's a turtle.
No. I knew it, dude. There, huh?
It's a damn turtle.
Get that on your GoPro,
Dude,
bro.
that's a red-eared slider. That's our turtle at home.
Oh, it's mad. Alright,
What should I
hold it? Who wants to take the hook out?
I'll hold it, Austin. You take out the hook.
Alright.
Do we have a net?
No. Just hold it from the back.
Tells you it's a turtle.
Hold it on the side like this.
I'm gonna boat flip it.
Don't. You're gonna break its jaw.
Hold the rod then. Whose line? Whose line is this?
We caught a sea turtle.
Whose line? Whose line is this? No, it's right here.
It's yours.
Oh, mine really?
Yeah. Alright, hold him. Ready.
Come on, come. Ah!
Sorry, hold him on the side.
Come on, little buddy. Come on.
Grab yourself.
Oh shit! No.
Yeah, just hold him down. You can hold him down like that. Actually. Bring him over here.
Ah, he's clawing me. Ah, motherfucker.
Yeah. Just hold him down on the ground right here.
Oh shit.
I was gonna say, bro, not another catfish, bro.
I was like, that is way too quick to be a catfish.
He said, I don't see no turtles on here.
You put on the ground.
Bit by a turtle.
Put him on the ground right here. Just like hold him down so it doesn't like squeeze you out.
Better if you just
You put him down.
hold
Put him down. Just put him on the ground. Just hold him down. Oh, it's in him. Motherfucker.
At least it's not a snapping turtle.
I actually got bit by one of these turtles before.
You let it bite you though.
I didn't know it was gonna bite me. It just bit me.
It was your pet, wasn't it?
It was a pet. Wasn't it?
This is actually a big one.
I know. This is an invasive species too.
You want to take it out?
Huh?
Can't. You're not allowed to kill him.
Well, he said it's invasive, so.
You know what does eat it though?
Trying to help you, bro.
Who's calling me?
This is ad.
Ooh. Hello?
What's up, Kev?
Circle hook? What is this?
Shh, get it out.
Yo, did you already ditch us or what?
Huh?
Did you already ditch us or are you still fishing?
I'm dealing with a turtle right now.
A turtle, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, it's stuck in him. I don't know.
Just like,
Did you guys already?
just twist it off and then like, just shake it off. I don't know.
What spot are you guys at?
You have a D-hooker, you said? You think that would work on
No,
you?
I don't, it won't work with a circle hook.
I think I have to cut the line off and just give it to him.
You want to?
Yeah, just cut the line.
All right, cut the line.
Alright.
Shoot, watch your fingers. Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers. Cut the line.
Yeah.
Just cut close. No, close. Cause I need.
Don't bite me.
Is that Jaden?
No.
Is that Jaden?
Alright, just let him have it.
All right. Hold
It's
on.
not like, you can still eat.
Just pull it out.
It's fine.
What's
No.
the song?
No, it's a circle hook.
Yank it out. Yank it out.
Ah, motherfucker. You. He's clawing me. There.
I'll start collecting Crappie.
Okay, that's where I want to be.
It was more like a bluegill bite though. I had him. He just came off. Look, he's getting hit. See it going?
Me or you?
Me. Watch. It takes off that way. See it going over there?
Oh yeah, and the wind's pushing this way.
Look, it's going away from the wind. I think that's fish. Yep. Oh, geez. What is it? Huh? Crappie. I think it's a crappie. What did it hit on? Nightcrawler, that's the second time. I missed both of them because I was on the... But the other one was a better hit. It was just under. This one was just kind of... He was going away with it. Oh, there. That's a nice one. Oh, get him in, get him in. There you go. That's a nice crappie. I like that.
Hey, but hey, thanks for your tip.
That's his tip. You gotta thank him.
Oh, you got from him?
I copied his setup. I didn't know how deep they were.
How deep are they?
But look at my bobber.
Pretty far.
Yeah. I didn't know it was deep over there. I thought it was shallow.
I didn't even know crappie hit nightcrawler. You know? Didn't know that. That's cool. What, did you see a bobber going there?
Yeah, I looked away for a second. I saw my bobber going down.
You want this one? Fuck yeah.
Am I over your line?
No. No, I need to catch one.
Oh, I got a bite.
Your line's too long.
I always fish a crawler. Really? But yeah, until like this last
Got it. Got him.
Oh, you got another one. Yeah, but bring your basket over here so you don't got to keep walking back. Walking does be good.
Ow.
Nice, man.
Rooster, Roadrunner.
Oh, there we go. Come on.
I need to apply for this one. He's
Let it wrap around.
Oh, did you get it? Yeah, you did.
got a blue.
Oh, that's what they are.
Ah, he swallowed it.
I love bluegill. Bro deep right there.
It's deeper. You're on the bush. There's a bush right there. Yeah, because look, it's super deep right
Do you have your pliers with you? I'm gonna need to cut it.
there.
Oh, you want to cut it?
Got it.
Yeah, just closest.
Nice.
He's too sick. What's triple S?
It's a stink bait for catfish.
Is Sunny super stinky or some shit? I just call it super shitty shit. It sounds like super shitty shit.
Got him. Crop. Oh.
Oh, big bluegill. I'm gonna have to move in. You seem to be getting all the luck with the bluegill. That's better than nothing. May not be a crappie, but bluegill are still fun to catch. Rotate. Yeah, Kevin.
Hey, watch. Before dawn or something, a big bass is just.
No regard for the wildlife.
Right, killing all the wildlife.
They never asked to be killed, bro. You just killed them.
I mean, you could eat those too.
You could.
It's a circle.
You just gut them,
you just
scale
fry
them, and fry them all. and then it tastes like chips. Apparently, they
Man,
taste
this
good.
one's really
I've never
purple.
tried. That's a bluegill too.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, but like, I'm so used to bluegills and riverwalk
The ones at riverwalk are tiny,
and more.
and they're not that color.